AI can be used as a tool to accelerate biodiversity conservation through the enhancement of the Extinction Solutions Index.
Imagine walking through a forest without birdsong or oceans without coral reefs. Right now, we're losing biodiversity faster than ever before. About 1 million species are at risk of extinction due to human activities. To solve this urgent extinction crisis, we need to better understand what's working and scale up the solutions that can truly make a difference. This summer, I worked with Conservation X Labs through the Conservation Research Program at William & Mary. My project focused on artificial intelligence and how it can make conservation knowledge, especially extinction solutions, more accessible and actionable. My name is Pranjali Gupta, and I'm a data science and finance double major at William & Mary. Species are disappearing because of few main drivers: climate change, invasive species, global warming, pollution, overexploitation. These forces are interconnected and accelerating. Every extinction not only means a species lost, but also an imbalance in the ecosystem that support all life, including ours. There are thousands of conservation projects and research studies happening globally, but there's no single place to easily access or compare what works. The data is fragmented across papers, databases, and organizations, making it difficult for conservationists to find, share, and scale up solutions. This is where AI comes in. AI has already transformed medicine, agriculture, and other fields, and now it's beginning to reshape conservation. Conservation X Labs created the Extinction Solutions Index, a tool to organize and assess global solutions to extinction. My role was to use AI to make this data more scalable, interactive, and useful through a chatbot interface. So this is the basic model of my chatbot. I used a lot of data in documents and converted those into embeddings and stored them on a vector database. I used ChatGPT API and using user input and also chat history, it would give you a desired output. My specific focus was on solutions targeting agriculture pollution, a key driver of biodiversity loss. So here's a demo of my chat. Sorry. So as you can see, here's a quick demo. I asked the chatbot what are effective solutions for reducing agricultural runoff. It just went away. But and then after that answer, I also asked it follow-up questions about what countries will it benefit, areas where it would be helpful, what endangered species it would be helping. This is really preliminary. I am gonna build, as a part of my deliverable, build a front end, which would be a website for Conservation X Labs. Oh. Of course, conservation data changes daily. New studies, updated metrics, evolving threats. So there are some limitations and some room for scalability in the chatbot. Of course, my model is not perfect, and it currently only uses static data. But this approach can scale to real-time updates. Future iterations could integrate live data sets, enabling conservationists to access the most up-to-date information. For Extinction Solutions Index, this chatbot means faster, smarter access to data, helping experts identify what works and where. For conservation at large, it's a step towards turning massive data into actionable insights, accelerating solutions to prevent extinction. This project showed me how data science and conservation aren't separate worlds. They're deeply connected. By combining computational tools with ecological understanding, we can bridge the gap between technology and the planet and design smarter, faster and more scalable solutions for extinction.